Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you how you can trade option in Robinhood app. So in order to trade option in Robinhood app, first of all, you'll have to log in. So for that, open up your Robinhood application, enter in your credential and then log in into your account. So for the verification, you'll have to type in the password associated with your Robinhood account. And this is going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. Now here, tap the profile icon and head over to the stocks detail page in order to trade on Robinhood. All you have to do is, first of all, you need to select whether you want to buy stocks, EFTs, or other cryptos and whatsoever. So in my case, I'm going to go with EFTs. Apart from that, you can also use the search bar tool located right on top. So after that, you need to tap the search bar and look for the EFTs. And I'm going to go with the Tesla. So here, you need to go ahead and select the information, all of these. So in my case, I don't happen to have any funds, so I'm unable to tap the button that is trade option located right at the bottom. But if you have enough funds, then you'll be able to see the option as trade, and all you have to do is just tap on the trade button located right at the bottom. Next page, you'll be provided with two different options, that is buy and sell or call or put. So you need to select either one of it. As soon as you select it, under it you need to select the amount as well. You need to go through the expiry details and all sort of detail as well. You need to click the trade button located right at the bottom. Next page, it's going to ask you to review all of the information. So to review the information, you have to tap the plus icon located in the top right hand side corner. As soon as you do that, if you're sure about it, then click the submit button or swipe up in order to confirm the order, and then you'll be notified with a statement that the order has been successfully placed, and all you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way, you can trade on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.